Hello everyone, my name is Vandana Dev. Today I am going to talk about colon hydrotherapy. Today many people suffer from chronic diseases like acidity, gas, constipation, arthritis, cancer, and they take allopathic medications for that. But allopathic medications have side effects, and if you don't want the side effects, there is natural and safe effective methods in naturopathy. Most of the diseases originate from clogged and congested colon. If the colon becomes clogged, the blood becomes dirty. And if that blood is dirty, the same dirty blood is provided to all the organs and tissues and the disease is created. If you don't want the disease, the blood has to be absolutely clean. And for that, the colon has to be very clean. Once you do colon hydrotherapy, all the gas, parasites, excess mucoid plaque and feces are removed, blocks are removed, especially at the bend, whatever clogs are there, clogging is there, that is removed and you feel fresh. Then another detoxification method is body massage. In body massage, what happens is the microcirculation is improved and you feel fresh. And next method is acupressure. In acupressure, the meridian points are activated, the lymphatic circulation is improved and you feel fresh. So all these detoxification methods are available at Nirmayee Nature Cure, Aundh. This is the facility at Nirmayee. Here the patient has to change a gown and lie down on the bed for 45 minutes to 1 hour, and a special machine instrument is used, a sterilized equipment is used for every patient, and water, clean pure water is inserted into the colon and the colon is cleaned. If required, the therapist will give you the abdominal massage which will release the blocks and gas and mucoid plaque, and you will feel better. After the colon is complete, you have to take electrol, and then a probiotic is given to take at home, and then you can go home. Now it is a completely painless procedure, and no need to fear about it. For ladies, there is separate ladies therapist. For gents, a gents therapist is there, and complete privacy is there, and sterilized clean equipment is used for every patient.